to send a walkthrough, and yours will be like 10,000 better than mine. But the thing is, yours, like you said, we can use it anytime.
Yeah, I'm just making footage for future.
Yeah, it's like future stuff. And let me get out of your way. But
very good.
So I'll be.
Yeah,
Yeah, the light switches are tough. So Willy, here's the, and Joanne, here's the redone bathroom. The flooring's all the 18 by 18 tile. You already saw the kitchen there. This is just a second video. Which other comes up better. I'm the amateur. I brought my pro photographer with me to learn the tips and tricks. Trying to give you the best view I can. And then view out your window.